Moving art and antiques takes more than just careful packing. It takes planning and the right approach to keep your valuables safe. Whether it's a painting, sculpture, or family heirloom, here's how to move these items the right way. Start by assessing what you're moving. Take photos and make an inventory of each piece, including its condition and estimated value. This not only helps you stay organized, but is also useful for insurance purposes in case anything happens during the move. If you're handling large or high-value items, consider getting custom crates made. Professional art movers can build crates that perfectly fit your pieces and add extra protection for shipping or long-distance moves. When loading, always keep art and antiques upright and secure. Don't stack them or place them near heavy items that could shift during transport. And if you're hiring movers, make sure they specialize in fine art or fragile items. Experience matters. Once you arrive, unpack carefully and inspect everything right away. If something doesn't look right, report it immediately to your mover or insurance provider. Protecting your art and antiques takes effort, but with the right care, they'll arrive just as beautiful as when they left. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.